Cryptocurrency technology is revolutionizing the way we think about money and transactions. Essentially, cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security, making them difficult to counterfeit. The most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, but there are thousands of others, like Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple. At the heart of cryptocurrency technology is blockchain. A blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. This ensures transparency and security without the need for a central authority. Every transaction is grouped into a block and added to a chain, hence the name blockchain. One of the fundamental concepts in cryptocurrency is mining. In the context of Bitcoin, mining is the process where computers solve complex mathematical problems to validate transactions and add them to the blockchain. Miners are rewarded with new Bitcoins, making it both a crucial part of the network and an incentive-driven activity. Smart contracts are another transformative feature, mainly popularized by Ethereum. These self-executing contracts, with the terms directly written into code, ensure that agreements are automatically enforced without the need for intermediaries. Cryptocurrency wallets are essential for storing and managing your digital assets. They come in two types: hot wallets, online-based, and cold wallets, offline-based. Each offers a different balance of convenience and security. Finally, there's the concept of decentralized finance, DeFi, which aims to recreate traditional financial systems like loans and trading on blockchain platforms. This global, open alternative to every financial service you use today, from savings and loans to trading and insurance, removes intermediaries, reducing costs and increasing security. Understanding these key elements arms you with the knowledge to dive deeper into the world of cryptocurrency and even converse with experts on the subject. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.